Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the Education Always channel. Today we will be looking at transition metals. In this video we will cover physical properties, typical transition elements and chemical properties. Most metals are transition metals. They include iron, copper and chromium. The transition elements are in the central part of the periodic table. In the image they are the red ones. The transition elements share some physical properties with all metals. They conduct electricity in the solid and liquid states, and they are shiny when freshly cut. Some properties of transition elements are different from those of the metals in Group 1. Compared to other metals, most transitional metals have high melting points, higher densities, greater strength and greater hardness. The elements below have properties that are typical of transition elements: chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel and copper. The table shows the melting point and density of some transition elements compared to 3 metals in the periodic table that are non-transition elements. The transition elements have higher melting points and higher densities. There are differences in the chemical properties of metals in Group 1 and the transition elements. Chemical reactions with oxygen. The Group 1 elements react quickly with oxygen in the air at room temperature. Most transition elements react slowly or not at all with oxygen at room temperature. Some transition metals react with oxygen on heating. For example, copper and oxygen gives you copper oxide. With water, the Group 1 elements react vigorously with cold water. Most transition elements react slowly with cold water or not at all. Iron reacts with water and oxygen at room temperature to form hydrated iron oxide or rust. With halogens, the Group 1 elements react vigorously with the halogens. Some transition elements also react with halogens. For example, iron and chlorine gives you iron 3 chloride. Ions with different charges. Transition elements form ions with different charges. For example, manganese forms Mn2+ and Mn3+ ions. Copper forms Cu+ and Cu2+ ions. Catalytic activity. Catalysts are substances that increase the rate of reaction without being used up in the reaction. For example, iron is the catalyst in the Haber process, which makes ammonia. Manganese oxide increases the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide to oxygen and water. Coloured compounds. Metals that are not transition elements usually form white compounds. Transition elements form coloured compounds. The table shows the colours of some iron compounds. And that's it for today. Thank you everybody so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Any questions, pop them down below in the comments. Thank you. Bye.